We're gonna make today blintzes filled up with ricotta cheese. It's really good, yummy, and easy to make it. Let's do it. We're gonna start with a cup and a half warm milk. Warm it up a little bit. 3 tablespoons melted butter. 2 eggs. Okay, mixed up a little bit. Two tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. Okay, smells good. A cup and a quarter all-purpose flour. I use usually the unbleached. And a half teaspoon of baking powder. Half teaspoon. Mix it up with the flour. Oops. Okay. Let's mix it up. And put the eggs and milk batter. Mix it up good. You need to use the whisk. Okay, nice and smooth. I think it's good enough. Okay. I'm going to show you the filling of the ricotta cheese. And powdered sugar. I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons powdered sugar. And you taste it and see if it's sweet enough for you. It doesn't have to be too sweet. I'll taste it and see if it's enough. I have ricotta cheese. I have 15 ounces ricotta. Use the vanilla extract. We want to taste of the vanilla. 1 teaspoon, I think it's enough. That's the filling of the blintzes. I'm gonna taste it if it's sweet enough. Might need more sugar or not. For me, it's perfect. I don't like it too sweet. And I soaked about half a cup of raisins. You don't have to, just if you want to. Half a cup of raisins. Soak them. Rinse it up. Mm. That's the feeling of the ricotta cheese. Now we're gonna start cooking the blintzes. Okay. I warm up the pan. Small one. And we're gonna start making. I'm gonna show you two. Okay, I use about third cup of, we'll see how much we're gonna put. Okay, just a little, not too much. A little oil, not too much. Any oil, vegetables, canola, doesn't matter. Make it high a little bit. And we're gonna start cook them. And I need a plate. Okay, oops. Start with, we want them thin, not too thick. Like a little less than third a cup. I guess we need more. So about a third of a cup. Okay. All the way. We let it cook. A little like medium high. Not too thick, not too thin. And we'll see what happens. We're not gonna turn over, you'll see. We're gonna do with ricotta cheese, the filling. Okay. When it gets brown like this, that's enough. Oops. You take it out, let it cool off a little bit, and I'm gonna do the second one while I'm filling up the first one. Okay, ready? With the pan from side to side, it goes all over the pan. Okay. Now I'm going to show you. You use the brown side, okay? Put filling of the ricotta cheese. Just about a full tablespoon. Okay. And go like this. And you'll see soon, I'll do the second one. And we have to brown both sides. Second one is coming soon. Almost. Okay. This one will go fast. Oops, it's brown already. That was fast. Let me check. Yep, nice and brown. What shall I do now? Grease very little, not that much. Oops. Let me take the crumbs out. Very little. And brown it both sides. Both sides. Let me fill up this one. Turn. You fill up in the brown side. Okay. Fold it up like this. Oops, like this. And brown it. We're going to brown it both sides. And let's see what happened in a minute. Turn them over. You see? Soon we're going to flip them over. I'm looking for let's see, is it ready to flip? The other side? Yes, it is. Oops, it's even over. Oops. It's hot. Okay, I have to lower the heat a little bit so I won't go too fast. And that's how you do the rest of the blintzes. You're gonna have a lot of blintzes. You could eat them the day after, keep them in the refrigerator. I don't know about to freeze them because of the ricotta cheese. Okay, a little more brown this side. Let's see. Almost. It looks good. And it really tastes good. Not too much sugar and butter, you know, only 2 tablespoons. So, I think it's brown enough. Oops. Take them out. Oops. And I'm going to use powdered sugar on top a little bit before you serve. Just a little. Kids gonna love it. And you could put some strawberries on top, any fruit, blueberry. And I think it's really good. Yummy and tastes really good. I hope you're gonna like it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.